In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find 5,000 plus Telegram group link in one section. So if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. So first, I open Telegram on my Android phone. Now I need to click on this search button. Then here I type SEARCHEEBOT. Search a bot. Then I found first one. Just I need to click on open. Then click on start. That's it. Now I choose a language. So I choose English. Then here the main things. So here are all the category. So if I click on charge all in category, then travel, um, politics, economics, and lots of books, education, law, medicine, technologies. So I if I click on sports, then you can see all the sports related channel group open. So if I click on this Sky Sports Football, then I need to click on open channel. Okay, this link is expired, so I charge another one. If I open this one, then open channel, that's it. Then join this channel. And here are 1,77,000 of subscriber in this group. So thanks for watching. Second, take care. Bye.